What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Bigtime. It has pumped up crazy numbers guys, 80% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just below 85 cents. So we're going to be looking at where is the crypto heading to next. As you guys can see, over the last week it has done crazy numbers, over 300% up, making it 85 cents, and it did start off from about 20 cents guys a week ago. So yeah, where is it heading to next? Can it potentially hit the dollar mark over the coming days, weeks and so on? And also, as it is coming to the end of the year, what is its target for 2024? Is this a crypto to be investing into? Is it likely to crash back down? As you guys can see, there is not much data on the crypto, as it was initially launched around early October time, meaning it's been around for about just under 2 months. So looking at its pump right now can be a little bit a risky investment, but that's why I'm here to give you guys my take and my prediction on the crypto. Looking at, is it too late to buy it? Should you sell it if you're on a profit, or should you keep holding on to it before it pumps up even higher? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Bigtime, which is here in purple at 28 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at 87 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. And of course, on the price side, as you guys can see on the screen on the right, Bitcoin has gone over $42,200, which is absolutely crazy. The crypto market is going in a green positive direction right now. I wouldn't call it pumping, but yeah, it is going in a positive direction, which is a good news. Most cryptos are up today and over the last couple of days as well. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see the blue and the orange line are looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and they are indeed looking very steep guys, meaning this is not realistic. It is looking very steep due to the fact that it has pumped up in value quite a bit over the last couple of hours and days as well. The graph thinks that is going to keep pumping in that direction over the next 12 to 14 hours, which is incorrect. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Bigtime to be trading around just below 90 cents is what I'm expecting, potentially 92 cents by midday to tomorrow afternoon. But in between that time, do expect red candles, where it's likely to take a little bit of a step back, a little bit of a dip, but again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, heading just over 90 cents is what I'm expecting by midday tomorrow from Bigtime. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, very similar to the previous chart. They are still looking very steep, heading towards a bullish direction, meaning this is once again not realistic guys. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, I am expecting Bigtime to be hovering just below the dollar mark. Yes, it is likely to hit red days in between, take a little step back down to below 80 cents, potentially down to about 75 cents before it starts to gain value. Trading just below the dollar mark is what I'm expecting from Bigtime over the next week or so. So towards the end of this week, early next week, Bigtime should essentially be trading just below the $1 mark is what I'm expecting. And yes guys, it is getting very close to that target. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, similar, looking very steep, going in a bullish direction. In this case, it's still not realistic. However, unlike the previous two charts, in this case, I'm expecting Bigtime to have dropped back down in value over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So mid to late January 2024, Bigtime should have dropped down to around below 40 cents is what I would say. Yes, it does sound like a major drop. However, the crypto is way overvalued right now. Let's go on to CoinMarketCap and have a look. Over the last month, it's gone up 432%, and overall it has done over 1,000% increase. And within about, let's have a look here, mid-October, so about not even 2 months, about 5-6 weeks I would say, is done over 1,000% increase, which means it is overvalued right now. So when the price correction does take place, I would say mid to late December 2023 and early January, it is likely to drop back down below 40 cents, below even 30 cents potentially. Trading around 20 to 25 cents is where it should be at by January, February time next year. But again, it depends on how the crypto market performs as well. If you guys want to keep updated on a regular basis on Bigtime, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see in the last 24 hours, the trading volume has once again gone up over 155%, making it $543 million in trading, which is a major increase in trading, as it is getting a lot of attention from both buyers and sellers point of view, because it is indeed one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So of course it's getting a lot of attention, and a lot more people are buying and selling the cryptocurrency as well. So for those of you asking, would I buy the crypto right now? Simple answer, no, I wouldn't. Why? Because I'm a long-term investor, and as I mentioned earlier on in the video, the crypto is overvalued right now, and once the price correction does take place, it is likely to drop down below 30 cents. So it doesn't really make sense for me to buy it right now if I, presume that it is going to drop down below 30 cents. And for those of you asking, is now the right time to sell it? Well, if I was on a profit, which most of you probably are because it's the highest that it's ever been, yes, I would sell it, but I wouldn't sell all of it. If I had $1,000 invested into Bigtime, I would potentially sell about 75 to 80% of it, so $750 to $800 worth, take out the profit and keep the remaining on hold for the long run. And if it does manage to drop down to around 30 to 40 cents, then I would reinvest some of my profit into the crypto and hold on to it for the long run as well, meaning overall, I'm still on a profit because I've taken out my profit and I still got some investment in Bigtime. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Bigtime, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the dollar mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.